People say, I want this car or that car, I want electric machines, airplanes, but all these desires are directly linked to human miseries, unnatural. Now nature is down with human civilization. We have noticed civilization eventually destroys humans themselves. It's obvious now. In the 21st century, there'll come the age of going to nature. Modern farming or natural farming. Your choice will determine whether the earth perishes or not. Is it mundane, common people's issue, worrying if it will survive to the year 2020? What do you think?
People in India would generally say that it is a matter determined by God. We don't need to worry about it.
You're right. But suppose the living thing in nature, like birds or dogs, were gods. They wouldn't resist, or they resist passively. All plants, animals around the Ganges, trees like acacia, which makes rain fall, all these are being killed silently. Shouldn't we humans resist on behalf of living things in nature? Aren't they too reliant on so-called God's mercy?
Well, of course, humans would also make efforts, but ultimately we leave it to the discretion of God.
If humans make the utmost efforts, authors of those books must have done their best. Gandhi also made desperate efforts. Others wouldn't do their best, and they are only praying for God's help, hoping somebody will solve the problem in the end.